How to change mouse DPI on your PC easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the DPI of your mouse. First thing you have to do is go down here and search for mouse like this. Click on mouse settings and it will take you to this page. As you can see from here, you can change the cursor speed and you can also manage this option too. And here also you have the mouse and cursor size. You can manage it from here, and yeah, it's very easy to manage. And you have also this additional mouse option. From here you can manage the DPI and many other options, as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.